Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Could you tell me a little bit about your background when you were young, what types of things you did, and what...
Why shall I tell you?
Pardon me?
Why shall I tell you?
If you wish.
Why shall I wish?
Well, reporters have to ask these questions, otherwise I would be out of place.
Prabhupada's hoping that you'll ask something that's relevant to this.
People are interested to know about you, Srila Prabhupada. And if they take an interest in you, then they will automatically be interested in your books also. They're very eager to know about the author of all these books that we are selling.
So that books, we speak about the books. Does it depend what is the author was doing previously?
You were the translator of many books, from what I understand.
So that translation, the book will speak. I have translated.
I was wondering...
You read the books, then you'll understand. Instead of asking me, you better read the books. That is real understanding.
I was just wondering how he personally got interested and involved and what his route to this consciousness was.
I see. She's asking about your relationship with your Guru Maharaj, how you became inspired to start the Krishna consciousness movement and write so many books.
You can answer. It is not very important thing for public.
I think the public always likes to know about the person behind the movement.
Yes, it helps. People are interested. People are interested in the development of a man like you. They relate, and that way they decide to read what you write.
That thing is that if you are interested in our book, so you read our books, you will understand.
You will understand you?
Yes.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Is that what you're
A
saying?
man is known when he speaks. When he speaks. Tavatcha sovate murkha javat kinchin navasa. A fool is so long beautiful as long as he does not speak. When he speaks, then you can understand what it is. So my speaking are there in the book. And if you are intelligent, you can understand. You haven't got to ask. The speaking way, that's why in a court, a big lawyer is known when he speaks. Otherwise, everyone is a good lawyer. But when he speaks in the court, then he is known whether he is good lawyer or not. So you have to hear. You have to read. Then you will understand. Real understanding is there. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,